Welcome to Money Academy, your ultimate guide to making money online. Want to make $6,347.90 per month on TikTok without showing your face? In this video, I'll reveal the laziest TikTok niches that are perfect for beginners. These niches require zero on-camera presence, low effort, and can generate passive income on autopilot. So if you want to start earning with TikTok in 2025, stay tuned. Step 1. The power of faceless TikTok accounts. Why go faceless? Well, TikTok is booming, and people are making thousands without ever revealing their identity. The best part: no expensive equipment, no fancy editing, and no stress of being on camera. Just smart content strategies that work on autopilot. Whether you're shy, an introvert, or just want to stay anonymous, faceless TikTok channels are the way to go. Step 2. Top 6 faceless TikTok niches. 1. Motivational and self-improvement niche. Why it works? People love motivational quotes and success stories. Easy content. Use text overlays on viral videos or stock footage. Monetization. TikTok Creator Fund. Affiliate marketing, books, courses, and sponsorships. 2. Luxury and wealth niche. Why it works? People are fascinated by rich lifestyles and success stories. Easy to make. Compile images of luxury cars, watches, and mansions. Monetization. Brand sponsorships, digital products, affiliate programs, investment courses, stock trading apps. 3. AI and tech trends. Why it works? AI is trending like crazy, and people are curious about new tools. Easy content. Share news about ChatGPT, AI art, or automation hacks. Monetization. Affiliate marketing, AI tools, software subscriptions. Brand deals. 4. Relaxing and lo-fi music. Why it works? Millions of people use TikTok to relax and focus. Easy to create. No need to compose music, just mix royalty-free sounds. Monetization. YouTube/TikTok ad revenue, selling music playlists. 5. Travel and scenic videos. Why it works? People love travel inspiration and dream destinations. Easy to make. Compile stock footage or user-generated content, UGC. Monetization. Affiliate marketing, Airbnb, Expedia. Brand sponsorships. 6. Celebrity news and gossip. Why it works? Trending topics get millions of views overnight. Easy content. Just repurpose news clips and add commentary. Monetization. TikTok ads, affiliate links, celebrity merch, courses. Step 3. How to monetize your TikTok faceless account. Now that you know the best niches, here's how you turn views into money. 1. TikTok Creator Fund. Once you hit 10K followers and 100K views/month, you can start earning. 2. Affiliate marketing. Promote products using Amazon Associates, ClickBank, or Digistore24. 3. Sponsorship deals. Brands pay you to feature their products in your niche. 4. Selling digital products. Create and sell ebooks, courses, or presets related to your niche. 5. Redirecting traffic to YouTube. Grow your TikTok, send traffic to YouTube for double monetization. Step 4. How to automate and scale your TikTok channel. Here's how you work smart, not hard, and automate your channel. Use AI tools. CapCut for editing, 11 Labs for AI voiceovers, Canva for thumbnails. Outsource content creation. Hire freelancers from Fiverr or Upwork for video editing. Batch create videos. Post 3 to 5 times a day for rapid growth. Leverage trends. Follow trending hashtags and remix viral content. Repurpose content. Post the same videos on YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, and Facebook for extra revenue. That's how beginners are making $6,347.90 per month with faceless TikTok videos. If you found this helpful, smash that like button and subscribe for more money-making strategies. And if you want a step-by-step TikTok growth blueprint, check out the free guide in the description. Thanks for watching Money Academy, and I'll see you in the next video.